Rock on, bros. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the EXecutor from Yokai Watch 3. You must know the EXecutor, now that he's in his true form, has been exposed. Agent X will not allow anyone who he has seen him return alive. It seems a bit excessive, don't you think? Anyways, when you draw him, you must draw his eyes. Okay. Now we just draw this line here. The EXecutor is kind of like Agent X's evolved form, and he devoted his entire life to his boss, the Ghoul Father. I don't know when we're gonna see the Ghoul Father again after he transformed into the Gold Father. If you ask me, this guy doesn't look like a secret agent. He looks more like a monster, a Joker, like a ghost. There's his eyebrow here.
Who has the tricked out ride? Who does the sickest backflips? Who's the manliest man? With the buzz of steel.
There's his hair.
Who could chokehold a bear? Who never skips leg day? Who always pays their taxes?
There we go. There's his body here. Now, we just draw his coat. There we go. There's his Reaper-like claws here. Okay. There we go. There's his robe here. Looks like a suit. It's like a monster suit. I never got to see Agent X in the show, but maybe he will soon if they just release it onto Disney XD. Thanks a lot, Level 5, for not showing that into America. Now, next up is his eye, right between his crotch. I don't know why he has one of those. I think that's how boss battles work. I don't even know what's good to go to. And done. That's how you draw the Executor. Pretty interesting, don't you think, guys? Anyways, that's how you draw the Executor. So, who do you guys think is the strongest yokai boss? If so, who is your favorite? You can decide if you want, because I'm doing videos every day, and, well, basically, this is exactly how you draw Executor, and, this is his voice.
The Executor! Expire!
Okay, so anyways, this shading here is his eyes. Anyways, that's how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Oh, and if a secret agent comes to your house and if they want some information, tell them right away or keep your mouth shut. But basically expose... If they have information on a creature that they don't know about, you should tell them about it anyway. Or at least keep your mouth shut if you want the alien to be your friend. Anyways, I'll see you again soon. Bye.